Today we're talking about translations in geometry. A translation in geometry is taking a shape and sliding it. The resulting image is congruent, which means same shape, same size, to the pre-image. When translating horizontally, that's left to right, on a coordinate plane, the x-coordinate is affected. If it is translated to the left, a number will be subtracted from the x. If it is translated to the right, a number will be added to the x. When translating vertically on a coordinate plane, that's up and down, the y-coordinate is affected. If it is translated down, a number will be subtracted from the y. If it is translated up, a number will be added to the y. An example is this. Translate triangle ABC 5 units horizontally and -3 units vertically. To do this, you would add 5 to the x and subtract 3 from the y. Hope this helps clarify translations without a graph. Subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks so much for watching.